Hi friends, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix your start menu which is not working at all. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. In the very first step, simultaneously press Windows and I key to open the settings menu and click on Update and Security. In Update and Security, make sure your Windows is up to date. If any updates are available, click on the download button to download the updates and install it in your computer. For some users, downloading or updating your Windows will fix the issue. Now we'll proceed with second step. In second step, we are going to repair the image of your Windows. Right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on File menu and click Run New Task and type here PowerShell. Tick mark the icon as an administrator privilege and hit the OK button. In PowerShell, you need to type a command dism /online /cleanup image /restore health and hit the enter button. It will take some time, up to 10 minutes depending upon the speed of your PC, and this deployment tool will repair your system health. Once the process is completed, kindly restart your computer and check if your start menu started working or not. Now once the function is completed, now we'll go ahead and proceed to the step number 3. In step number 3, again we have opened Task Manager. Click on the File menu and click on Run New Task. And again type PowerShell as an admin mode and click on the OK button. Now once the PowerShell is open, you need to type a command. This command I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy it from there and hit the enter button. Ignore any type of error if you received while performing this command. Once the command is completed, I request you to kindly restart your computer and check whether your start menu is working or not. If not, we are going to proceed our next step. Now in the next step, right click on the taskbar and again click on Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, click on the File menu and click on Run New Task and type here CMD and hit with administrator privilege and hit the OK button. Once the CMD is open, you need to type here sfc /scan now and hit the enter button. Again, this process will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the speed of your computer. Once the verification is complete, again restart your computer and check whether the problem at your end is resolved or not. I'll go ahead and again minimize CMD window also because it will take a lot of time. Now the last step, in which we are going to restart the Windows Explorer. The Task Manager that we have opened, in Task Manager in the Processes tab, find the process name as explorer.exe. This one is the command, this one is the process. What you need to do is to simply right click on it and click on the restart button. You can see the process has restarted again. That's it you have to do. Now lastly, one more step is left. If all the options are not working at your end, then the last option remains is to click on the File menu and click on Run New Task and type here PowerShell. Once the PowerShell is open, you need to type a command system reset. For your convenience, I'll provide all the commands in the description below so that you can easily remember those commands. Now hit the enter button. Now it is showing you two options, keep my files or remove everything. Kindly click on keep my files, else the system reset process will wipe out your computer completely. Now it is showing these are the commands or these are the few programs that are going to uninstall from my computer that I need to reinstall again. So you need to click on the next button and let the Windows reset your computer completely to make the start menu working for you. If still you are unable to resolve this issue or your start menu is not working, kindly comment below and I'll provide you more steps on how you can resolve this issue. That's it about the start menu fixing error from my end. If you like my video, if you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.